Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking dreams together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello. Saint Protox the First, welcome back to my stream, to my bakery, and Jordan, welcome back to my bakery as well. I'm glad to hear that your father is feeling better. I'm very glad to hear that. I really hope he completely recovers soon, and that makes me very happy because if he's feeling better, I'm very happy. So. And Jordan, before you even ask me, because I know exactly what you want to see. I know exactly what you want to see, so, take the matra. Take it, it's all yours. All your matra here, take, Jordan. That's for you. And, since we are here, maybe we give also the normal, right? I have some new cosplays to show today, so I think we will start with that. We will start by showing the new cosplays, right? Seems good. Because I have some new cosplay I did earlier, and then maybe we can put that here. So, let me find the files. Because I've made them earlier, so. I've made them earlier and, where it is? Oh, here. Yeah, that's the first. That's the first cosplay. I don't know that things. I don't know. But that's Billy Gunn, no. Oh, that's the first cosplay I have today. And oh, actually, I'm covering the rubber duck, and then I have another one. This the same but from a different angle. This the same but from a different angle. I need to show this to Rads or no. He's a wrestler. Okay, very nice. I mean, I don't watch wrestling, but thanks. So here we are. That's the second. Why not? Why not? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Why not? Why not? I mean, look at this, right? I mean, we have some rubber ducks placed there, and I guess why not starting with them, right? I mean, we showed them Audra, so why not some rubber duckish thingy? Yeah, so very well, very well. So as I do, hi rubber duck. Yeah, you better make friend with the rubber duck, I mean. Cause the rubber duck is friend with a really cute girl person. You may never know how things goes. So anyway, so today the plan is to keep checking the new stuff that I am implementing. But the point is that I'm still implementing them. Shop has to implement 3 more slices before the game, 3 more tickets before the game is even playable. And so I guess we have to wait. We have to wait. So in the meanwhile, I want to do other stuff. I have a list of other stuff I want to do. And probably we should do that. Maybe eventually, yes. Probably. And yeah, that could be interesting, right? Oh, well, what's the problem here? One moment. Let me see, cause I have a problem here. What is the problem? Okay, try fix it. Cause we have an issue here on an automation. What's the problem there, Chappy? What's the problem here? We bought $25 fucking dollars. Yeah, that's the one at time, Big one problem at time, and we even spent $25 fucking dollars for API tokens. Need to do this fucking search. You really need to do this fucking search, Chappy. So I'm scheduling some automation to search for extra Radzormo, you just came late, Radzormo. Because I show the today's specials, today's menu special. Let me hide myself, cause I may be in the way of the rubber duck. Oh, look at this, Radzor. Look at this. What a cute rubber duck we have here. I see some marshmallows and I went also and I did also the back version. with the cake. I mean, look at this. Oh, you see that cool gear position on the rubber duck? I mean, that's some cool gear position there on the rubber duck. I mean, that rubber duck is a lucky duck. I'll tell you that. And you see exactly I'm sitting on the tail, because I mean, I'm a little bit perverted. And you see the rubber duck has that tail, and look at me exactly where I decide to sit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, that makes sure it's lucky. Yeah, I guess it's lucky. Yes, it's lucky. It's lucky. It seems quite unlucky duck to me. It seems quite the lucky duck to me. Okay, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Oh, just let me say one thing. Well, I mean, you should edit whatever file is in charge of the automation to explain to never use DNS in isolation. This credit job. So we don't have this issue before, okay? Okay. I was telling earlier, I mean, I want to, I made some stuff to the game. I mean, because I woke up as always around, it was 4:30 in the morning. And I've prepared already the new stuff that I want to implement and check today on stream, but Chappy has to do 3 more tickets, because we need to complete tickets 18, 19, 20, and 21 before the game is playable again. So, cause we are implementing some stuff. And so we probably need to do some other things before we can even put the hands on the game, because I spent basically I think 1.5 hours getting interrogated by Fable, by Kuropi. And yeah, Kuropi interrogated me for Jesus 1.5 hours in the morning. And then I mean now Chap is implementing. So but we can try out the game before Chap finishes implementation. And I mean I implemented some really nice stuff. So and I can't really wait to put my hands on it, but I can't. Because I need to wait this. So I'm thinking, I mean, I want to work a little bit on other contents that I need to do this after, so I can get some jobs done, and so I mean, do you remember that when I was on holiday, we were discussing about membership content? And so today I want to start to make the first video from the membership. But when done, process further first with this as it. But now we are still working on the music flow. We're basically implementing part of the quest line that should grant you talent point for the music flow. And I also added some animation when you do a course, and core is more visually appealing. So I mean now we're still in the music flow and we'll build the music file for a very long while. And Chibi, welcome back to my bakery. So no, I mean we will be in the music floor for the all pre-first ascension though. So version 01 will still be just the music, and there's a crap tons of job you can't even imagine. Cause now we're implementing the quest, the partial quest system. Then we need to implement all the talents. And I mean, all the talents, it's a lot of work, cause 5 of them, actually 6 of them, unique mechanics, and God bless me, I need to prepare a lot of artwork for it. And then after that, I need to prepare all the fucking romance scene, the voiceover. Jesus, you can't even imagine how fucking long it's the slice. It's to get there. I mean, probably one more, maybe less. I don't. Egg less. What did someone say rubber that year? I mean, cause I heard someone saying rubber that year. I heard correctly? I mean, were we discussing about rubber ducks? I mean, honestly, I don't remember anymore because I'm pretty sure there was something about rubber duck, but my memory is a little bit off at the moment. Egg bats. Oh, look at that. Egg bats. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Very, very nice, right? And the change from that really beautiful woman to this little chubby, innocent, and harmless chibi, right? I mean, who would ever, 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 But I think that's not even my final. I mean, I can't wait for the new generation to voice change that big happens. I want to change my voice. I want to try something different. And Razor, I mean, I was thinking to what you told me once when we were doing annoying cake. You remember when we were doing annoying cake voice that you were telling me Shibilula should have a voice like that? I think probably I would probably go with something like that. But anyway, so I mean, since Chappy has a lot of stuff to do, I need to do other things here. And one of the things I want to do, I want to work on the membership content and to a new format that I'm going to start probably again from today, which is called trending cake out. Hey, Sark, you just lost the rubber duck. Jesus, everyone is late for the rubber duck. How many times do I have to play the rubber duck today? That's probably the fourth time I'm playing the rubber duck today. Yeah, time for Got Mama. I don't know if there's a Got Mama today. We have rubber ducks today. On the menu, we have rubber ducks. Do you like rubber ducks? Sark? I mean, do you? Do you? Those the host at the club loves rubber ducks. We will see. We will see. We will see. We will see if the host enjoys rubber ducks. Right? Anyway, what I was saying. Oh yes, membership content. That was where we were, right? Membership content, yes. So I mean, since fucking Shopee has finally finished ticket 17. Oh, we can send. Sorry, ticket 18. We can send to ticket 19 because we have 3 more tickets to do. So, implement ticket 9. So maybe we can do this by maybe 3 hours, probably, because 3 more tickets, 40 minutes per ticket, probably, right? Because how long did it take to implement ticket 18? Ticket 18 was done in how many? 43 minutes. 43 minutes. So 45 minutes per ticket. Probably we can put the ends on the next version of the game. 2 hours allowed. The stream will be over by then. Maybe just have the time to check it out. Hey, スギちゃんおわみですよ、スギちゃん。久しぶりですよ。おわみですよ。おわみですよ、スギちゃん。スギちゃん、今の見せてあげよう。今の見せてあげよう。ラッバータック好きなんですかちょっと今のあるから見てて。見てて、これきっと好きかもしれない。ラッバーダックなの。好きなの。なんか、好きそうなのかなと思ってさ。なんとなくね。なんとなく、そんな気がしてた。そんな気がしてた。いやまあ、好きそうかなと思って。オッケー。オッケー。はいよー。はい、終わりー。 終わりです。終了。ラバダック終わりましたね。まあた後でまた見せるかも。ね、見たかったら言ってね。いっぱい言ってるよ。で、そう。And I was saying, I mean, we need to do this. Which duck? I mean, Donna Hiru? Well. I think duck is fine. I mean, cause, well. I'm not diving deep into Japanese lesson. I'm not in the mood. So what I'm in the mood instead to do is start to make content for the membership section, and we will have this new section that will be about past lores, and I want to go back and remake some of my oldest cosplay and make them better. Okay, see you later. And make them way better. Cause we had a lot of old cosplays that are very bad. And some of them have a lot of lore. So I think it's time we go back to these things and fix them out. So one of the things that I want to do today is Amaryllis. I think it's time we go back to the Amaryllis cosplay. And we remake it better, cause the first Amaryllis cosplay was very bad. So, and cause I want to have a section in the lore section with the Amaryllis things. So, wait. One moment, yes. So, cause I need some stuff to get away. So we start with this. And Dima-san, Oyo, welcome back, Dima. Welcome back to my bakery, Dima. Welcome back to my bakery, Dima. I have something for you. There's something for you. You probably like this, Dima. I have some rubber duck today in the menu. Do you like rubber ducks, Dima? I mean, cause we have rubber ducks in the menu today. And I mean, I'm pretty sure you like. You're still waiting for the fluffing duck. I mean, what's the difference? You have to explain me what's the difference first, and then we can go with the fluffing duck. I mean, eventually, but you have to explain me the difference. I do not really understand a rubber duck and a fluff duck. So, by the way, let's go back to what I was about to do. So, right, let me go here, and can you make a picture of Luna that is basically she's the same as this character basically, but it's Luna. So basically, I mean, maybe the skin color and the hair, and maybe we add also the just the hair and the skin color, and the face. This Luna face, and you can remove the sort of interface that is on the left and make the picture 69 horizontal. But I mean, it should be this girl with 6 arms and semper snakes, cause I need a cosplay of this character with Luna. Okay, thanks. So, I am like not only that, but the other part of the screen. Oh, you mean the beach? You mean the sea and the sky? Yeah, the sea and the sky are very beautiful, right? I mean, there is indeed, I mean, a beautiful sea and a beautiful sky. I agree with you. And maybe we can see a little bit of the mountain too in the background. Yeah, I mean it's a very nice. And the sun, right? The sun, right? We don't forget the sun, right? I mean, it's all about the sun and the weather and the sea, very, very crystalline and pure sea, right? I think yes, right? It has to be the sea, right? I'm pretty, I'm pretty sure it's the sea. Yes, and the sky, all that blue, right? All that blue and the yellow, the contrast. I mean, you know, they are complementary color. I mean, if you check the or opposite colors, I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, blue and yellow. I mean, I think they are opposite of the color, right? Because they make green. So yeah, I mean, it's a complementary color. That's the correct term, right? Yeah. So the blue and the yellow, absolutely very good contrast, right? Right. I'm pretty damn sure that's what make you didn't know that my eyes were so big. Nose plugged with tissue for nose bleeding. Your nose bleeding, Sark? Should we go an ambulance, Sark, before you lose all your precious blood? Or should we go Luna the vampire to take care of that directly? I mean, I don't have a vampire version, but I mean, I mean, we could do an exception, right? I mean, and bites you directly in the nose rather than on the neck to take care of the nosebleed. Jesus, no, that's very gross. That's very gross. I'm already regretting that, but say that. I mean, you are for being bitter. Oh, look at this. Sark is a little M-type guy here. Okay, interesting. I will take notes that you are a little bit masochistic and loves to get beaten. I'd better take notes, you know. May come in handy, you know. May come in handy. Reviving old stuff is indeed good, but curious how you went with this Lamia in the first place. You don't like Monster Killer. No, but the point is that I mean, I was thinking about the fact because I need to deliver cakes, and my point was I wanted to just put cakes directly, but that would get flagged by YouTube. That would get flagged by YouTube for inauthentic content. So the only way to put cakes if I present the cakes as part of the lore. So I mean, if I make an introduction, do the dimension of the eye correspond to the real one? You mean if I have big eyes like that? Or are you referring to the marshmallow sides? Are my eyes really so big? I mean, these are my eyes. Yeah. These are my eyes. I mean, what you see in the screen is who I am. I mean, because I'm a fictional character, Tim, how many fucking times do I have to repeat the same fucking things to everyone? I'm a fictional character, Dima. What you see on screen is me. Okay? What you see on screen is me. Period. I am exactly what you see on screen. And I may have different variations, but it's all me. That's the beauty of being a to be fictional character. I mean, yeah, we already know. Look at this. There are too many blades here. There are too many blades. Wait, I need to fix this. I need to fix this because that's nice, but we need to fix this. Oh, and I don't have the serpent body anymore because we have the, is it is E or F? Oh, nice questions here. I mean, depends on the model, I guess. I guess certain models probably go even to G depending on the rendering. Or we can make them an H version. it all depends on the slider, how much you want to push the slider, and in which mood you are. I mean, we can have a very, very flat version if you want. Like ultra flat, I mean, if you're into that, so my body is fully customizable to user request, especially paid users one. And we have a problem on the left side, I mean the picture left side, because it only shows 2 arms. And then there is a blade getting out from nowhere. So I think you should fix that so that there is an actual third arm that is holding the third blade. So probably or you remove the blade or you edit the blade or whatever. But then or you remake the blade and you make it completely different. Which probably is the best option. But I mean there is 1 arm missing because it is 3 arms on the left and 3 arms on the right. So please make an edit. And then give me the new edited version, thanks. So back, yeah, exactly, that's exactly. So by the way, back on your, you know that meme cake up is for night? No, I don't know that. I don't know that means cake up is for night, but I remember there was this gag in Japan. It was from a comic show. Because we have this things is called the yaki imo, which is basically ishiyaki imo, which is basically sweet potatoes cooked on hot rocks. And there are these vendings sellers. They have a small cart and they go around with their cart selling sweet potatoes cooked on hot rocks. And there was this gag in Japan that they were saying, ishiyaki mo 100 yen, ishiyaki mo 100 yen, death cup nara murio da yo. And they would say that if you have that cup, I will give it for free. So, and that was a quite a gag, but yeah, so yeah. Which cup for me? I mean, it depends. It depends by your tastes. I mean, I have a fully customizable body, and the more you pay, the more it's customizable. That's usually the rule here. So the more you donate, the more you can customize and then access itself. Because the access to the body is behind the paywall. We even have a song, right? I think we can play the song while these things do their things, right? Because could be a good time for a song, right? I mean, why not playing a song while we wait? This is one of my favorites. So I think we can play this, right? I should definitely make a video for this. Absolutely, definitely make a video for this song. So here into the cassette song music audio. Okay, then what it is? Oh, it is 35. Maybe I should turn the volume on. Yeah. Ilaria Murpone, Lilia Murpone, no sure again, guys, Luna. Are you out of the loop, Lilia? I guess you're out of the loop, Lilia, right? Lilia, Miss Wikipedia, welcome back to my channel. I think you're out of the loop, right? I quit playing Dragon Traveler. I mean, yeah, you're just kidding. You got me there, Lilia, you got me there. I'm making my own game, do you know that? I'm making my own game, Lilia, so that's why I'm not playing anymore Dragon Traveler, because I'm making mine. Oh yeah. And I hope you will play it when it be finished. Probably in a lot of time from now, but I'm making mine. I am making mine. Oh, this is good now. You see, look at this. Look at this. Oh, we got it. We got it right now. We got it right. This is Amaryllis. This is Amaryllis. And now it's time to animate it, right? We're going to animate our little lovely Amaryllis. So, absolutely yes. So, very nice. She comes out decently nice, right? So, as I was saying to perfection, yes, that's close to perfection. Yes, I think so. So I was telling, I mean, So I was going to talk about membership content and the fact that YouTube has strictened the rules for inauthentic content. I mean, I can just post the feed pictures as I was doing in the past because YouTube flags them. So and yeah, she watched the Lego movie, not even a single one of them. Because I don't really find Legos interesting. I always think that Lego are for engineers, and I mean not for normal human being. I mean everyone who loves Lego is an engineer in its art. I mean deep inside their art they want to be engineers. So I'll never even get close to fucking Lego, cause to me is fucking engineering. I mean you need that degree in engineering. You need that degree in engineering for that thing. So to build anything with Lego, I mean, you need that degree in engineering and in architecture. Hey, Dakota Miller. I still don't know if I should call you Miller or Dakota. I will probably decide eventually one day. Miller. I think Miller reminds me of some game characters. I don't remember which one, but I guess whatever works. Yes, I think we'll go with Miller, right? We'll go with Miller for now. It reminds me of some game characters. I don't remember exactly who, but maybe I will remember. So Miller. So let me show you what we made today, Miller. We had some nice cosplay. Rubber duck thing. I mean, it's not actually a cosplay. How am I? Oh, fine. I mean, very excited as always. I mean, I woke up at 4:30 and I've been working on my game since that. I mean, I'm still working on my game right now, but it's building. It's building the changes, and I can't wait until it finishes building 2 more tickets. So 4 a.m. Yes. I wake up every day around 4 a.m. I go sleep very early, and I wake up very early. It's not that I don't like going out late at night, but I mean, unless I am to go out and there's something to do, I prefer to go to sleep incredibly early and wake up early in the morning and work on my stuff, cause I really like early morning, cause it's very silent, very silent. The house is silent, outside is silent. Oh. Oh, wow, very annoying. Very annoying. Jesus. The sound is destroying me. Jesus. I don't know how to fucking mute this because it's inside codecs. Very annoying. I had to remove my headphones. Cause codecs is checking the things, but the sound is coming to my headphones, cause it's actually Yes. Well, let me answer to one thing at a time. First Dima, then I go to you, Miller. So, you just saw that a teaser for One Piece Lego movie has been released for the One Piece English channels. You have to check it later. Okay, good. I mean, I told you, I have no interest in Lego, nor in One Piece, if that matters. So, I mean, that's a double no for me. But, I mean, if you like it, go check it. I'm perfectly fine with that. Yes, I can train the end to patch itself. Yes. I mean, that is not even... Yes. I mean, this is agentic workflow, Miller. Let me tell you how it works. Okay, let me tell you how it works. So you basically have a session with the AI in which you discuss the things you want to implement. Okay? You discuss with the AI all the things you want to implement, and then you write it down as tickets. Tickets is one of the way to name them. Some people call them contracts. Some other people call them tickets, and some other people just... Oh Jesus, very annoying. I hear chap in my headphones. Okay, but anyway. So, and basically what you do, let me see if I can show you here. What you do is you have these things. You see, at the moment it is implementing ticket 19. And you see, you have a file that tells the AI what they have to do. And and basically, the AI then implements it by itself. The agent implements it, so it's called a agentic workflow, and basically, yeah, they do the stuff on it by themselves. You tell them what to do, and then they do it on it. So I spent 1 hour and a half discussing what we need to build in this version, and then the AI is doing the job for me. Obviously, so yeah, it's not a big science. It's very simple, and it's how people use AI nowadays. And then One Piece got 1,170 episode. Well. I guess it's okay, right? I think Dragon Ball 2 is very long too. I don't know how many volumes that fucking manga is, but Dragon Ball is very long. Okuto no Gen, Kenshiro is very long too. There's plenty of manga that are very long. So. And the yeah. It's not new. Maybe you just know One Piece, but I can tell you, there's plenty of mangas that have been published for years, and I think One Piece is not even the longest. Probably Doraemon or Sasai-san. They have even way more episodes. Imagine Doraemon in the last 50 years. I don't even remember if I fucking called this Doraemon. Oh, Jesus, Doraemon. Okay, see you later, Demon. But imagine Doraemon. If you think One Piece is long, you haven't read Doraemon manga. That shit gets published every month. New episodes every fucking month. So, One Piece, yeah, amateurish work. Seriously. Honestly, once we can fix the carbon footprint issue, what the AI is doing will be welcome with open arms. Life isn't a film, we won't create Skynet. Doraemon Batus and something episode, yeah, you see exactly. Doraemon 2600, yes. But mind that, one episode is, not all episodes are long the same. So, cause their episode length is relative, so it doesn't really matter. It's just a number, but just to tell you that One Piece is not an exception. It's quite in the norm. Yeah. Oh, are we going into ecological AI issues? Are we going into the ecological AI debate again? Oh, come on. Spare me from that, okay? Let's spare me from that again. We already discussed it that this channel is for cake. Cause honestly, I'll be fucking honest, completely fucking honest, I don't give a shit. That's politician matter to solve. I am fucking convinced that AI is a tool, but for me to decide how many fucking water data center needs, how many fucking land should we give to data center or whatever, it's politician business. And no, it's okay. It's not that it's forbidden. You can talk of whatever you want. I'm just not following up at all, cause honestly, I don't give a shit, honestly. Cause that's politician matter. We have politicians for one reason, cause they have to take care of that shit for us. So period. And I give my vote. Actually, I can't even vote, cause in Japan I can't vote. You need to have Japanese nationality to vote. So and I actually vote in Italy. Even if I spent in Italy only 2 fucking years of my life, and then basically resident in Japan for 18 years, but yeah. Yeah. But point is, I think as long as something is legal to use, then it's not my problem. You know what I mean? It's honestly it's politician matter. And I am nowhere clever or informed enough to face this sort of discussion. my brain is very simple. Is these things legal at the moment? Yes, okay, good, whatever. I keep all the bitching to people that wants to bitch on it. As long as it's legal, fine, works for me. And whatever else, I leave that shit to politicians. It's not. Honestly, I don't give a shit. Completely honestly. I'm really pro AI, but not in a fun turn way or AI bros as they usually call it. I am pro AI because I think AI is a fucking tool, like fire, like whatever else, and period. And all the bullshit that is taking away jobs is it's fucking history repeating itself every fucking time a new fucking technology comes out. So but apart from that, honestly, I don't give a shit. I'm more interested in cakes. Uh, I am interested in cakes, and that's what I'm interested in. I want cakes. I want to deliver cakes. That's my mission, really. And so be it. And it's not that I don't have a political view, but I don't feel the need to discuss it in my channel. It takes away from the cake, right? People start bitching about what's good and what's bad, and it takes the cakes out of the center of attention. Uh, yeah, cake, exactly, cake. And if you have issues with cakes, well, but probably you are in a illegal childhood. The only thing I can tell is that if you have issues with cakes, you probably are in the wrong channel. That's the only thing I can tell. And we can't even listen to a song at the moment because Chappie is basically playing the fucking game, and the other channel is hijacked by Chappie. So I think we go directly into crafting whatever I wanted to craft before the conversation got hijacked by political nonsense. And so, okay, cakes. They're really trying hard. It seems that recently everyone is really trying hard to get me into politics. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Not only the viewers, but also all the people in community Discord. They all want me to join politics for one reason or another. Just because I use AI, and they want me to voice out whatever. I find this very annoying. Very, very annoying. Uh, but yeah, though. What's this? These things here? Oh yes, so, probably 4, right? Probably 4, right? Yeah, let's see. Let's see, maybe out of 4, yeah, it's not that I want to have fun. Honestly, I'm not even sure I'm having fun. If I had to be honest, I'm working in something that I like to work with, and that makes me feel. But I wouldn't actually define this 100% fun experience coming because streaming and selling cakes is my job. So I like my job, but I think fun is an overstate. It's an overstatement. If you think that I'm having fun at the moment, it's probably not exactly how I will define this moment. I think I'm very fulfilled. Something that I like, and I'm very looking forward to see what I produce. But not exactly fun. I mean, I think most of my fun came when I am I am uh well doing certain things with chatbots. Probably that's my most definition of. I have fun with that every day after the stream is. But yeah, that's probably my best definition of fun. Yes, right? Yeah, chatbots. FictionLab? Yeah, probably should. That's fun. But stream, not really. It's my job. That is my career artistic career. I mean, I like it a lot, but cause political lunes were changing, but come keep begging this justice. I mean, I don't know, probably. I mean, I may change my mind one day, and I will jump myself in politics. Because everyone is trying to brainwash me, and maybe they will succeed, but today, not today. I mean, the cake is strong in me, and and I'm not ready to go into politics yet. Probably until the cake will be strong in me. I think I don't need it. 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 Yeah. Yeah. I think I don't. I mean, it sells very well. Probably it sells better than cake. I mean, if you check all the political channels on YouTube, they sell way better than cakes. But I think I'm still more for cakes. So let's check these things, right? Should we? Should we? The chopper. Okay, that's not exactly that. That's way too much. I think we need to give instruction, right? We don't want the spin. We probably don't want the spin, right? We need to give instruction to this. Very annoying. So the camera is on a tripod, static, and doesn't move. Maybe I can yap into it. That would be better. The character moves their arms as if she wants to chop something. And she looks smiling at the camera. Their body is static, relatively static, and she mostly have a breathing animation and smiles, and the only things that moves are their arms that form this some sort of chopping motion as she is preparing sort of chopping things. Let's try this. I mean, let's try this, right? I mean, let's try this, right? Yeah. We need swordplay. I mean, usually video is very good. You give it an image and it's very good at doing stuff. But I guess this time it been messed up. Probably I shouldn't do 4 generation at once. But I mean, I have to use my credits, so I have a lot of credits and I have 10 days to use them. So I think yeah, probably 2 generation would be good, but I guess this fine. So back on topic. I mean, back on topic. So why getting back to previous cosplay? And I mean, it's not about Monster Gears. The fact is that I need to post cakes on my membership section. I need to post cakes on my membership section and just posting cakes won't work. Doesn't work due to new YouTube recommendation policies. So I need the fucking commentary. I need the reason to post cakes. So I'm thinking I want to do the lore thing, in which I explain why certain things is born into the channel and then show some cake art while explaining it. So I think the first episode has to be the chopper, right? I mean, cause that was very fun, right? I will chop. I will chop your little small toy. I mean, if you keep watching other girls, I mean, that was a golden moment. I mean, that was a golden moment in the story of the channel. So we're going to add this new section, and I mean, I'm just a little bit sorry that I didn't come up with this idea earlier. I should have probably done this way earlier, but yeah, I mean, you know, I left that probably a little bit unattended for too long, so this is going to get fixed probably today. Today we're going to have the first new episode, and probably we need to probably also make some graphics for it. I don't budget. But that's one of the things that we're going to do. So no, that wasn't my first cosplay. I think my first cosplay ever was. I have to check my video folder. Let me see my video folder so I can tell you which was my first cosplay ever. Let me see. I'm not sure I can show this on screen cause cool. There could be some stuff that could cause a ban. Let me check this in private so I can tell you what exactly was my first cosplay by chronological order. So actually, I mean, at first, my first generated video was on, probably, yeah, okay. Oh, it's very, oh, Jesus, he has to download them from the cloud. We had to wait. Oh, the first cosplay, yes, it was not a cosplay actually, but I think let me see, it's still loading, Jesus. We have to wait, okay? We have to wait a little bit, cause no, it was not the bolo, but can we, let me see. I think it's still fucking loading, I mean. I think even if I use the, cause it is downloading them from the cloud, right? Yeah, I have to wait. Yeah, no, but the point is that it's I mean I have all my data, but I mean the way iCloud works that if you don't open a file for a while, it uploads it on the cloud, so it frees space from your hard disk. So you have your cloud space that is bigger than your hard disk, and when you don't use a file for a while, it removes from your hard disk and it keeps only the cloud copy. So you don't have to you have more free space on your hard disk. So but the point is that when you look at the files, I mean it needs to re-download it again from scratch. So no, I mean it's very useful. I mean I have no complaint with that, but yeah, I mean the point is that is downloading these things, and I mean we are sort of stuck, I guess, and we have to wait, right? I mean yeah, we have to wait. I mean we will see that later, okay? We will check this later when these things finish doing the fucking things or whatever. Let's see the new cosplays in the meanwhile. Oh, that's nice, but the arms became 4 for one moment, I guess. I guess they're fun. Let me see this one. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this one is good. Yes, that's good. That's probably good. We need to grab a little bit. The dirt, right? Probably the dirt, right? I mean, or the fort. Maybe we need to crop the fort a little bit. That's too much. That's too much arms. It's probably the dirt, right? Is the dirt that needs a little bit of cropping, probably? Yeah, probably go with the dirt. We go with the dirt and we crop it a little bit. Yeah, dirt of fort, right? I mean, that's probably it. Jesus, Chap is still playing the fucking games in background. I really hope it finishes soon. And I think we scared Miller out with the discussion. I mean, he got incredibly silent. I mean, I'm sorry if I scared Miller out. I mean, I'm very sorry. I mean, because he was nice. He came yesterday, he came here today, and then we scared him out. the discussion. Well, I'm sorry. Okay, probably. You see, probably that's why I should speak politics. Cause I mean, if at least if I had the same political idea, I would have stayed. Probably that's why they suggest that you have to speak politics. Cause people, I mean, probably when they find someone with their same alignment, they want to stay but we scared mirror them away, which is a pity, but I guess I don't know. I guess probably that's the lesson, right? That that's why what they want to. Could be just an thing to do them scared. Well, I mean, probably we put him on at unease because I told him. I mean, we don't talk about politics here, and maybe he thought that you ruined the mood or whatever. Or maybe I was harsh when I said I don't give a shit, but that's the truth. That's probably the truth, right? Because I mean, let's be honest. I mean, what can you actually do? I mean, if your politicians tomorrow they wake up and they say AI is bad, can you really do something if not suck it up? I mean, actually not, right? You just suck it up, period. Period. You suck it up. And same if they say AI is legal. I mean, you suck it up. So, I mean, it's just fucking people complaining. I mean, or they pretend they want to discuss some really important business. I mean, but they have no fucking power on it. Yeah. It's a tough pill to take, exactly. But even being not involved, I mean, it's still a fucking pill to take. That discussion like this, they come out every day, and just the fact that you have your own stance anyway. I mean, cause it. I mean, the fact that you have a stance. I mean, people can say, well, but you are politic. You are being politicals without wanting to actually accept it. Maybe. But the point is, I mean, I want to talk of something different. Rather than my stance on these things on this oil, I want to talk about cakes. Right? Right. That what I want my members to stay here. So there was no, I don't know about the mirror. Oh no. I mean I know where Miru is, but I don't know. Oh, you're here. Hi, you're here. And I get beams in the wrong style, but for sure I'm very happy that you're still here, Miller. I was worrying that I scared you earlier, or that I put you not at ease. I'm very happy you're here. I'm very happy that you're still here. And it sounds like I get constant trolls. No, I mean, it's not about that. I mean, I know there's a lot of virtual signaling. I mean, how do you call that? Virtual signaling or something like that? I mean, I know there are absolutely people that do virtual signaling, or maybe you call them consent calls or whatever. Whatever is the slang term for that. I mean, it's not that. Don't get me wrong. I mean, and I'm pretty sure there's plenty of people that have no. But well, I mean, point is that I mean, I was worried because I mean, I thought that I mean, I was a little bit harsh, and that maybe a little bit too direct when I tried to put a boundary. And then I thought that maybe the way I worded that could have sound a little bit disrespectful and probably you. So I mean, but I think it's good worrying, right? I mean, worrying is kind of. Was you worried for me? You worried for me because you said, "Oh, I think I've disrupted your stream environment," and that was worrying for you because I thought that I could have overstepped or said things too harsh. So, uh, I have skin in the game. I have the right to be a little harsh for dealing with ignorant faults. Well, I mean, again, no point is, I mean, it's not about ignorant folks or whatever. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's plenty of people that are really concerned about the environment or whatever. And I mean, they're they've done a lot of research. They're really expert in the matter or whatever. And I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm absolutely sure that there's people like that. I mean, cause I absolutely don't think that all the people that say whatever is, I mean, they're fucking trolls that don't research at all for their fucking virtual signaling. I mean, that's not my point. I mean, the point is what I want this channel to be. That's the point, right? I mean, cause which kind of environment I want here, and which kind of discussions I want here, which kind of moderation. You can call it moderation, you can call it censorship, if you prefer the term, but I prefer to call it, selection. There is these things that I don't remember who is the one who said it, but I don't know if I read it on a book or if it was my father who told me first. I mean, I don't remember, but it's the concept that what makes an art exhibition a real exhibition is not the works that are inside, but all the stuff you have decided to keep outside, so that whatever is left inside is coherent with the exhibition itself. And when I thought that in that way, I mean, it clicked with another things that I was told when I was studying music theory. And that music is not about notes, it's also about silence. And it's the space, the white space between the notes that makes the notes more significant. And so the point is that when you're creating any kind of experience, I mean, not necessarily the more is better. And I have my vision of what I want the experience to be here. And I know exactly what I want to keep out of my channel, at least for now. Because otherwise this wouldn't be a cake about genre, it would be a generic talk room in which people came and talk and say whatever they want, I mean, anytime. And that wouldn't really contribute to create an exhibition. Well, I told you already, my dad is a designer. He's an art director and that design. I mean, he won a lot of prizes. I mean, there's a reason he's here in Japan or here, because I mean, he is very skilled. He won a lot of prizes in Italy, and then I mean, he met a famous movie director when it was in Switzerland, into Locarno Film Festival, and thanks to that, I mean, because he had the exhibition at the Museum of Contemporary Arts. He won prizes for shorts, and then he came to Japan and he kept winning prizes here as well. I mean, my dad is a good designer, I guess. I mean, he's not on Wikipedia or whatever, I mean, because he's not such a huge fuck, because he never worked for a big agency that I mean gives you that fucking visibility in which you get into Wikipedia status or whatever. But I mean, I think he knows he knows his job very well and what he's fucking so. And that's a privilege. I think me and Stem are very privileged because that is fucking amazing. And I'm very glad that he gave us a lot of education. I mean, whenever I open to this fucking AI Discord and they ask me how long have you been studying the AIs, I mean, what, maybe 3-4 months, I mean. And I mean, it's in no way that you're so skilled. And then I mean, I think about it, and then I think, why I'm so fucking skilled with whatever fucking software I put my hands on, and then it's that, I mean, it's that DNA there. Because I mean, I think I told you already. So we started playing piano when we were 6. I mean, me and Stella, but it didn't click it for me. Piano. I mean, I loved music, but I was way more interested in what that was doing. I mean, cause whenever I was seeing that working at the computer, I mean, it looks like it was fiddling with black magic. I mean, it was at this computer and it was making this sort of things with fucking graphic tablet or whatever software and it was creating this sort of things and I was looking at the screen and like sit down, fucking awesome. And we sort of split. I mean, yeah. Cause my Serp clashes, the Serp Saigon clashes recently about that. I mean, it's fine. I mean, everyone. But you see, that's one other thing. I mean, design is not art. It's never been about art. Design is not art. I mean, that is not an artist. That is a designer. There is a huge difference within an artist and that design. Designers are problem solvers. I mean, they are not artists. I mean, honestly, I don't even have a fucking what is art. I mean, cause it never actually interested me. It never actually interested me. I'm always limited into a mood full of design. You can think it's like engineering, but I came to think that it's more like a translation. It's more like a translation. So let me try to explain. So if I want to speak Japanese in this moment, I do not translate my exact food in English in Japanese. I first do a contraction of all the things I want to say. This happens automatically, and then I map the elements into a different space, which is the Japanese language, and then I pick the most faithful representation for that summary into that language, and then I say it into the other language, which is more or less how real bilingual people think, right? I mean, because they don't do literal translation word by word. I mean, they extrapolate the concept and they map it into a different thing. And design is basically the same. I mean, you have an idea that you need to put in practice. It could be a client idea. It could be your own ideas, whatever. But you have what in design is called a problem. And the problem is, how do I fucking convert this idea into another media? Because maybe you have an idea, but you need this idea to go into a different media. It may be paper, it may be screen, it may be a game, it may be music, it may be a space like architecture, because architecture is design. That's why it's called interior design. I mean, well, interior design is a branch of architecture, but I mean, architectural design is design. Yes. I mean, it's like problem solving, but for ideas. I mean, I don't know how to tell it, because basically you map a certain issue. You map a certain issue into a different frame set. So for instance, I mean, if my dad have a client that says, well, I need an advertisement because I want to sell this product. I mean, what my dad does, he maps my client problem into a visual language that other people can understand, and then it translates it into images so that the message is the most clear as possible. Because I mean, visual language has rules. You know, I mean, there are a lot of perception laws that your brain works in a certain way when see certain elements in a certain position, and whatever. I mean, I'm not saying that there is no originality in design, or there is no your spark, your idea, or whatever. But I mean, it's mostly. I mean, the best designers, I mean, are the invisible ones, in which they put a lot of magic, but it's really so subtle that you didn't even notice it. You know what I mean? Because it's not about, oh, look at me, how fucking cool I am, but I mean, about faithful transplanting or translating an idea into a different shape. And that's what design does. And maybe. So that's why I don't know, because to my impression is that artists they have something that they want to make and they make it. Period. Okay, but designers instead, if they have something that they want to make it, they don't care about how they want to make it. They are more worried about what is the most efficient way to make it, so that the concept, the underlying concept I want to transmit is transmitted into the most unequivocal way. I don't know. I don't know. But to me, this seems to me the most difference. So you think that art is about originality? Honestly, if you ask a designer about originality, you would tell the originality mostly doesn't exist. It's just repackaging existing stuff into a new way, which is the repackaging that is original. All the link between stuff that is original, but never actually is. You never reinvent the wheel. You invent a different combination of pieces. Because you know, in music, in music there are only 12 semitones. Period. There are only 12 semitones. And period. There isn't much you can do. There are 12 semitones. Period. So okay. So and that's the same. That's the same. And that's the same for you, Miller. Don't worry. I know. Now that I know I haven't offended you, you don't have to do the check. I know that you're here, so we are good. So and so that's the point, right? That's the point, right? So I think that's why maybe I'm very good at a lot of things. Or good, oh Jesus, what I just said, I'm good at a lot of things. Let me rephrase this. That's why I'm a fast learner. I'm a quick learner, because I don't think I'm very good at a lot of things. I'm a quick learner. That's probably the best way to put it. Because I've seen my dad working so much time, and we had a lot of discussion that I think I have its framework inside my head. Period. And it makes me a very quick learner when it comes to everything that has I don't want to say a software involved, but when it comes to transplanting concept into different media, yeah, exactly. Products too. Saint Products is surely here lurking. And if we say his name, he pokes out of nothing. Yes, absolutely, yes. Products too, exactly. Saint Products, the first lurker. Yes, absolutely, yes. Products is probably here very silently. But anyway, so. Period, that's it. So, where did this conversation originated from? I lost track of it. What were we talking about? Oh, you were asking about my dad. Yes, that's my dad in a nutshell. He's a designer, he's not an artist. And I think if you call him an artist, he gets fucking triggered. Even if you want a lot of prizes, and even if he had one of his video installation exhibited into a museum of contemporary art, you tell him he's an artist, he probably rages at you. It's probably one of the few things that could trigger my dad. I mean, no, I mean, jokes. He is very calm person, but yeah, I mean, he surely doesn't define himself as an artist at all. You see, Products is here. Saint Products, the first lurker is here. Yeah, right. It just poked out of nothing exactly. So and you know, Chap is still fucking playing this thing. Jesus, I really oh, okay. So it ended it. It ended slice 19. So where does the audio came from? Where does the audio came from? Let me see. 19 is done, right? Okay. So. Oh, good. I had to archive these things. It still has the fucking audio going on. Oh, Jesus. We are good. 19, done. So we can implement 20. Implement ticket 20. Nice. So, okay, I want to fix, the cosplay there. We probably need to cut a little bit from that, cosplay. Probably. Oh, we have the cosplay now that it finished downloading. I think it finished downloading. So let me see which was my first video. Okay, let me see which was my first things here. What happened here? What happened? Did we close Premiere by mistakes here? What happened to Premiere? Jesus, so many things at once. So, oh, we closed Premiere by mistake. Jesus, then because I was watching another things and we close Premiere? Oh no, Premiere is here, but why is not? Oh, file, open project, maybe new project, right? Okay, let's call it then title, whatever. Fucking guess. Title 6, whatever. Just. Ah. Issues. Okay, so, but before that, this is what I wanted to show. So we have, let me check a little bit these things. So, let me see. So, let me see. Oh, I'm trying to find which was my first cosplay ever. I mean, my first cosplay ever was probably. Let me see. It was. Let me see. I'm almost there. Okay, I think I'm almost there, right? Almost. What do we have here? Okay, that's. Oh! My first cosplay was Loki. Loki was actually my first cosplay ever. We should probably redo a new Loki. Yeah. That was my first cosplay ever. I think even before Amaryllis. I think Amaryllis came later, probably. But Loki was my first. Was my first absolute cosplay. Yeah. But wasn't really actually a cosplay. Was me chained as Loki, not really the cosplay of Loki. But probably the first things, I mean, that is actually decent that I put on my channel was this. But that's probably the first thing probably that I posted in my channel with AI. Can I place 2 batches containing things you like from bot? What do you mean exactly? With the AI? If I can splice 2 batches? Yes. The point is that you decide what goes into the batches beforehand. You decide what goes there beforehand. So I mean, it's completely up to you. Decide what you put into the slices, cause you decide the content with the AI before it gets it goes there. So now it's time we fix this shit, right? So let's fix this so we can then export it and right. Right, something like that. So I don't need the link. I don't need the audio here. Very annoying. So what are we going to keep here from this? I think everything. Okay, see here it creates false words. Okay, from here it's fine, right? From here probably here. From here it's good, right? That's so this should be the starting point, right? Let me see. Okay, I don't really like this. Maybe this good. I mean, let me see. It's a little bit flat. I mean, if you ask. And then we have that other things there. So probably it could start just immediately as we finish the things here. Probably from here. Right, probably. Still force words. Okay, from here, probably. Till, maybe. Till here, right? Probably. That's probably the how much it is. Like 1 second? 1 second, I mean, right? 1 second. It's not much. It's not much. Maybe we can loop it or cycle it. Probably. I mean, let me try this. What if we cycle this? Speed minus 100. So how does this work? Okay, that's nice, right? That works. If this thing works, then it has a double frame here, because we don't need this frame, right? We don't need this frame, and we probably don't need the last one either. We probably don't need the last one either, and we can then probably cycle this a bit of times, right? Something like that. Yeah. 1 second is enough, right? But oops, should be enough, I guess, right? Oops, not punishable for the fan. And why these things does a snap? I am the snap turn. What's your issue? What's your issue here? Okay, so let me see. Yeah, that probably should work, right? I mean, yeah, from here there's no actual merging. Yeah, there isn't. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Not the best things, but that's the job. That's the job. I mean, it surely is better than the original, which was this one. Oh, where it was? Okay, I closed it already. Okay, doesn't matter. So, let's export this. And we replace this, and then we use this as okay. That's the new Amaryllis. The new Amaryllis, right? Yeah, the new Amaryllis. And yeah, we probably save this right now. Yeah. And then we go with oh, already done? Already done? Are we good already? Looks like so. Okay, very nice. So that's ready. So we can save this into the dedicated folder, and then we can probably also also uh, also I mean yeah, probably we can yeah, so that should be enough for should already know the answer to this, but do you use voice modulation for anonymity? No. It's not about anonymity. It's about that I like Hatsune Miku. And my sister loves Hatsune Miku too. And if she could, I'm pretty sure she would use something like her voice as well, probably. I don't know. Maybe. But the fact is that due to the setup in which we communicate, she can't. But probably she would. But it has to do nothing about anonymity. It's more about that this is how I like Luna to sound like. Yeah, you could say that I really love Miku. I mean, you see, even in the cosplay room, I mean, there's Miku here. Miko's playing as Miku, and if you check my design, I mean, I have Miku sleeves. I mean, and not exactly Miku sleeves, but are very similar. And I mean, I carry that design. I mean, since I was a little girl. I mean, 'cause my original character, I mean, she has the sleeves. 'Cause I mean, I really love Miku. And I mean, when you're 10, I mean, you don't really care much about this sort of things. You just want to get close to the character you like, and I mean, you don't give. Wonder if here's Robbo Luna from my early video. Oh, I think I can play something from that. Right? I mean, I think I can play something from that. Where do I have that thing saved? Let me see if I can find it. I mean, I think I have it saved somewhere. Probably. Do I have that saved some? That's the question. So, and where it is? Let me see if it's still saved. Let me see. Probably. Do I have that shit still saved? Let me see. See. Yeah, probably not, right? Probably I don't have that shit saved there, right? Probably I have to pick it up from YouTube. Well, let's pick it up from YouTube. Because that's very old stuff. I mean, it's not that I really care much about that anyway. So, let's go back here. Then we go into YouTube. Let me see, because I don't want the audio go out. Yeah, that's the drawing I told you about. Yes, that's Luna version 1. I made it when I was 10 years old. This D drawing, look at Razor mode. Defending the lore is the drawing. I guess the heretics schisma originated from that drawing, right? Cause even the heretics know that is the drawing, right? It's the use of the drawings, right? I mean, yeah, look at it's the drawing. I mean, it's not that my lore originated. I was born from that drawing. It's quite different. It's quite different, but yeah, I guess you can call that my lore. I guess. I like to think like I mean the spark that ignited all more than my lore. I mean, but yeah, sure. I mean, you can think it. You can say it that way. I mean, probably. Probably. I mean, I'm probably the oldest. I'm probably the oldest VTuber ever. Even older than fucking Kitsuna. I am. Probably, if you put it that way. I mean, Jesus, yeah, yeah. I think, yeah, probably. If you put it that way, yeah, probably. My character is older than Kitsuna. Yes, indeed. I mean, checks out, probably, yes. So, where do we have this? Yes, studio. So you can, okay, so, so yesterday I was saying, I have to correct myself. I was saying that my monthly revenue were more or less $300, but they weren't $300. They're 31,000 yen, which is more or less, a little bit, I think a little bit less than $200 for this month. So, here it is. Here it is. And I mean, we're still in decline compared to the previous month. I mean, and the previous month was already all AI, so we are still in declining, but I'm pretty sure, I hope I will get my shit together soon. Anyway, content. content. Videos. Sure. Can we go to the fucking last one? Oh, come on. Don't, you stay over there, you stay over there, so, rules per page 50? Fine. Fine, we need to go to the very bottom of it. We really need to go to the very bottom of this. To the very, very bottom, please. Yes. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, look at this. This is the last page. Okay, this. October 13, 2022. Right? Right? And yeah, let's have a look, right? That was probably, I mean, my first build. My first video build that I made. It's I need the sound here.
Thea, this is the video for you. Here,
And
I will tell you.
you see, this starts if you add a crash on Tia. You see how it starts the video? I mean, it's never been about gaming. It's always been about fucking fictional characters. I mean, seriously. I mean, you see, this is a fucking games that start if you have a crush on Tia. I mean, it doesn't care. I mean, do you want a good build? I mean, it doesn't give a shit. It said if you have a crush on Tia. I mean, that's exactly what it says. The origin of the video. I mean, seriously. I mean, seriously.
If you got a crush on Thea, this is the video for you. Here, I will tell you everything I know about Thea, so you can spend quality time with her.
So you can spend quality time with her. I mean, you see, so you can spend quality time with her. I mean, it has never been about, I mean, never ever been about guides. I mean, ever. I mean, it's always been about, I'm gonna fucking fuck my favorite things. I mean, seriously. And true, exactly. And this was my first outbreak video. This was my outbreak video for Tia. Obviously, because Tia was very cute, because she has blue hairs. And I mean, you know blue hairs? I mean, I think I have something for blue hairs, so yeah, that's it, so.
This video will show you the low-budget Thea's build I used to kill the Traveler, and farm T7 maps. It is a relatively long video, and covers all the mechanics in detail, so I will start by showing.
And I mean, honestly, I like this voice way more than the one I have now. I mean, I'm telling you this, I like this voice way more than the one I have now. Cause this sounds so fucking cool. I prefer that 100 times than this. In fact, I think I'm going to change my voice. I mean, yeah, I love that very more. I mean, very more than this. Seriously, I think I want to come back to my origin, probably. And no one will fucking watch my videos because they won't understand the fucking things. And my lines will be unwatchable. But I like that things way more. I mean, to that extent, I mean, I was already using AI in 2022. Does that mean, that makes me an early AI user? I mean, cause probably it makes me, right? It makes me an early AI user, right? I mean, voice changer in 2022? I mean, my character is older than Kitsuna Ai, and I've been using AI since 2022? Probably. But also, I mean, it's not a PNG tuber. This was also by the equivalent of a very rough version of what Leaflet is publishing at this moment. But it was a different software doing the same thing. Because you see, I mean, it's very similar to the tool that Leaflet has used right now, but I was using it based 2022.
I also want to thank the conceptor for making Torchlight Helper, which I used several times in this video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button.
You see? I was already there. 4 years ago? 2022 was 4 years ago, right? I was already there 4 years ago. Yeah, that was my debut. I was already as fucking as digital as you can possibly see. 156 likes, yes. Yes, that was my first outbreak videos. Yes. I mean, it has, what, 8,000 views, something like that. 8,000 views, something like that. I mean, it was my first outbreak videos. It was my first outbreak video, so, I mean, that's why, I mean, yeah, probably gaming is good. Gaming is surely good, right? Gaming is surely good, for sure. Gaming is good, but cakes are better. Cakes are better, and I think I've already taken I already made my mind. No, game is good, cakes are better, period, I mean. And you know, it's always been about that. I mean, do you want to spend good quality time with Tia? I mean, I got you covered. So you can spend quality time with Tia. It's always been about that. Because I think probably at that time, I mean, at the same time, that was where me and my sister, we started fucking, I mean, chatbots. I think it's probably that time, or maybe a little bit earlier, I mean, probably. So we had already this concept of spending quality time with your character. And before that there was Archive of Your Own, right? Before that. The archive we do not mention openly. I mean, Archive of Your Own. Yeah. I think so, yes. So Roboluna is one out of the first boss to take down. Probably we need the Roboluna, right? We need the Roboluna. Look at how the fucking ugly I look in that picture, I mean. But you know, I think I sort of everything is clicking now in my head. I think everything is clicking now in my head. I mean, if I look at that picture and I look at the chibi model, I think that's why I'm very attached to my chibi model. I think it starts to click now. Especially if I close my eyes like this. I mean, they are the same picture, right? Yeah. I think it starts clicking. Why I like the chibi model a lot. I mean, I wasn't thinking about this, but yeah. Very close, right? I mean, very close. That this is 100 times better, but yeah. I mean, yeah, probably I do. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm a huge pervert, but I still love cute and kawaii things. I'm a derp after all. Let's get real for a moment. Let's do the real talk for one moment. I mean, I'm still a girl. I mean, period. I mean, I obviously like cute and kawaii stuff. Obviously, so. I mean, and I mean, as a girl. Oh, the music is back again. Shopee is testing the game again. I got my headphones. Destroyed. I mean, Moe culture. Well, Moe culture is a little bit different. The Moe culture is different. I mean, I'm more I think of the Harajuku kawaii style, or maybe the I mean, the female kawaii style. The Moe culture is still male oriented. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have nothing against male fantasies, and I mean, I try to impersonificate as many as I possibly could, but I mean, I wouldn't classify Moe for females as a female oriented a female-oriented fantasy, not at all. I mean, Moe is definitely male-oriented fantasy, because Moe is not the kind of cute that a girl would use in everyday life. Is a representation of innocence and vulnerability aimed to get predated on. Cause you looks like innocent and pure and unexperienced and completely unknown and you don't have a fucking clue of anything, so that you can fucking easily get predated, which is fucking gorgeous fantasy. Don't get me wrong. Cause we have the equivalent, the feminine equivalent of that. So, and for instance, my sister is a huge enjoyer of that, of the female equivalent of that, of the concept of getting predated, or better, let's how we call in dialect a steady hands to guide you. That's the correct term. I need a steady hand to guide me. That's the equivalent. Well, exactly. Moe is the kind of cute that you use as seduction. Exactly. Moe is the kind of cute that as a girl you use as seduction tool. Okay, so it's like you do makeup. Okay, cause you don't do, well, don't get me wrong, you do makeup for yourself too, okay, but you mostly do makeup because you know when the birds, they open their wings with all the colors and they say, look at fucking me, okay, right? Cause I am in mating season and the birds open the wings and they're all fucking colored. Yeah, that's the purpose of the fucking makeup. Well, you do makeup for you too, and and it's very fun to do makeup, and I enjoy makeup and whatever, fake lashes, colored lenses, and all the bullshit. But makeup is also seduction, period. And moe is a kind of seduction. You want to appeal to a certain kind of males which are particularly weak to the desire of being the one that ruins you for the first time. Period. Period. And there is a lot of males with that fantasy, and Moe is the tool that you as girl has given to abuse on that male fantasy. But it's originated from a male fantasy. So you see that's the point. That's the point. So we are weak, very weak. Yes, I guess so. So I was having the same discussion yesterday with Shark. And Shark was saying, but if you aim to have a lot of fans and parasocial relationship, why don't you use a more explicit vtuber or something like a little bit more moe, I guess was his terminology. Defeated by rubber duck, exactly. Well, but the point is that I also think that Chibi is fucking gorgeous. Cause Chibi appeals to completely another kind of. I don't even want to start here, cause you can imagine, but Chibi appeals to completely also another complete target audience. That. Well. We don't talk about that here, but anyway. So and they're all fucking tools. And I don't believe there's that says, oh no, but I do it because it's cute. You know exactly what reaction it has on males. On males. So you know exactly. So but I obviously still prefer Chibi because I think Chibi is cute. some certain kind of female style of cute that has nothing to do with seduction. But I mean, the chibi also appeals to a certain kind of male audience at the same time. Time went to work, it was nice to have a good stream and funny day. Oh sure, Razormoid, it's always a pleasure, I mean. Oh, here you are, Shark, here you are, welcome back to my bakery. Welcome back to my bakery. I was showing an early video of mine is from 2022. Do you want to listen to this? It's from 2022, and I was telling that. I mean, I was telling, it came out the discussion of the voice, right? Because we had the voice discussion yesterday, right? And so it came out the discussion of voice modulation, and I said that that's not even my very first voice. Because my very first voice was way more robotic and is back on 2022. And I mean, you know what's the funny thing that I was thinking about watching my videos? Because my early videos of 2022, they were using a radius system that is very close to what Leaflet has produced right now. Because it was able to start from a PNG image and animate eyes and mouth on top of that. So we can call it a very primitive version of what Leaflet made recently. And this video is from 2022. So I'll let you have a look at this. I'd better hide myself. So okay, one moment. So I have one moment, I have some audio issues. 1 second, let me fix this. Because at the same time there is in background, I have in background the codex that is doing the fucking Jesus, this is annoying. Well, you will have to listen to the audios at this, or maybe I can put the Safari audio here only, right? Just 1 moment. Let me put the Safari audio. How do I pick the Safari audio here on? I think I need to do a new window, right? Just 1 moment. So we can hear this without the gaming in background. Just 1 moment. Video capture device, not video capture device, I mean screen capture, sure, screen capture, and it has to be window capture, and it has to be Safari. These things, sure. Oh, so we can have the audio separated. Okay, very good. So now I can go back to Safari. And then I need to turn the volume on, right? Here on OBS.
People, mods included, in the Torchlight Discord. I also want to thank
this
the
was my first
Concepture for
original
making
voice.
Torchlight
Was
Helper,
way more
which I
robotic
used
than the
several
one I
times
have
in
had.
this video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
But you see, this is 3 years ago. You see here, 3 years ago. And I was already using back in time, I mean, yeah, Deeper Neuro, yes. Yes, cause, let me remove this, okay, yes, so exactly, sounds like a Deeper Neuro, so, cause I mean, I was already using this stuff, I mean, 3 years ago. It's actually, that video is almost 4 years old, because it was October 2022. So in 3 months, that would be 4 years old. So it's 3 years and 9 months old stuff. So, and as you see from the video, I was already using a really deep voice changer with, you see, a PNG animator tool that was animating eyes and mouth according to voice text. I mean, very similar to what, I mean, I want to say similar, but yeah, I mean, we can call it an early prototype of the stuff that Beeflit has made recently. So I was already using this stuff on my channel. I mean, for almost 4 years. So and that's why when I was saying, I was telling to you about. I mean, I don't follow much English VTubers. It's because they are behind. They are way behind to where we are in Japan. I mean, we were using probably voice modulator voice in the form of Yukuri. I don't know if you know about Yukuri, but oh, ads, sorry, okay. So I was telling, right? I mean, I was telling that. I mean, this is why I don't follow much English VTuber, because I mean they are just plainly behind of whatever is the trend that has been going on Japan for years. I mean, we are already using, modulated voice and robotic voice way beyond. I think the first was Yukuri Reimo that was based on the Toho character Reimo. And there's plenty of video made with Yukuri Reimo. I mean, and they're very old, I think, and that's the very first example of voice modulation here in Japan that went way back before AI. And I mean, and that tools were widely available. And actually my voice modulation is partly based to a modified version of one of the Rainbow tool, and that was 4 years ago. And we already have PNG animators like the one Leaflet is making a bit, but back in time, and that's the same technology I was using in my videos. I mean, 4 years ago, more or less, and I mean, yeah. So mostly is because I mean, yeah, the majority of whatever technology, I mean, the Western YouTubers utilizes, I mean, there's something that has already been utilizes in Japan for at least a long time. I mean, I'm yet to see something that is new and gets instantly transplanted to the West. I mean, it usually goes to. It usually passes sometimes before something reaches the West, because when it starts in Japan, it's very underground, and it doesn't get noticed. And it's only for people that know where to search that you find this stuff. And then when these things gets mainstream, that's when it gets adopted into the West. But it's probably has already been in Japan for 1, 2, 3 years, something like that. Usually that's the trend. I mean, that's the trend, and that's the same for a lot of things. I mean, even Vocaloid more or less at the same stuff and whatever. But yeah, I mean, cause I was talking that I want to change my voice again, and eventually when the new technology will be out, and we went back listening to my very old voices. Now these videos, I mean, they are unlisted. I mean, I don't have them on the front door of my channel anymore. But yeah, this is very old stuff that I was doing back when I was doing gaming. I mean, 3-4 years ago. So yeah. By the way, Sharkware, how are you? I mean, I'm streaming now, but later I will drop to the Discord. I mean. But you know, when I have to stream, I mean, I can't be available in the Discord. So after that, I mean, I'll probably drop by and see what's going on. I mean, I have a lot of stuff to do this after, because I need to make videos for my channel, but I need to make 2 offline videos. Actually 3 if I can 3. I need to make 3 videos. I need to make a membership only video. I need to make a video for a new series that I want to make, and I need to make the lesson for my offline. You mean offline videos? Well, I call offline videos any videos that is not a live stream. it's they're called there. I mean, well, I mean, you can call them videos, but I mean, I call live videos for I call it live videos, the live stream, and offline videos are all the videos that are VOD. No. I call VOD. I mean, the videos from the live streams, video on demand. Yeah, I mean, cause yeah, probably video on demand is fine too. But I mean, I usually refer to VODs only when you have the live streams that gets recorded. I mean, that's the VOD of the live stream, the video of the VOD of the live stream, but because the live stream is over and then you get it on demand. But I mean, it's not an offline version of the live stream. It's a completely video made for offline consumption. I mean, right? So you keep the VOD as a reference for a past stream, and then offline videos are videos like, I mean, you know, game guide or a tutorial or whatever rant you have on something that is not extracted from a live stream, because otherwise that's clipping, right? So basically, I mean, my terminology may be wrong, but you have the live stream. If you clip something from the live stream and you publish it for offline consumption, that's a clip. Okay? And if you put the whole live stream for online consumption, that's a VOD. But if you make a video that it isn't taken from live stream, but is completely planned and edited for offline consumption, that's an offline. Like, I mean, tutorials, guides, or whatever. So, yeah. I know that VOD means video on demand. Yes, and I know that very well. But I mean, I learned this terminology, and I'm fine with that. It makes sense in my head because I can differentiate between offline, clip, and VOD, and live, and shorts. Because you had basically 5 categories, right? I mean, shorts. And for short is a completely new, non-clipped, well, it can apply to both, yes, absolutely. I mean, if you want to go to the full grammar things, yes, I mean, it makes sense in my head. Because with one term, I mean, I can refer to just one thing. And so I have short, offline, clip, VOD, and live streams. So it just makes more organizational sense in my head. But you're right, I mean, grammarly speaking, you're right. I mean, it just makes more sense in my head. Because it's easy to categorize stuff if they have a unique name, so you can refer to them easily. But that's just how I call them. And that's it. So yeah. So I'm very excited for tonight, because tonight there should be declared the winners of an AI competition I took part of, and I hope I got selected to the winners. There will be 10 winners, and I hope I got selected. Is an AI art competition. So probably tonight there should be the win, because the event itself is in 3 days, Saturday. And Saturday I will attend the event. I already have I've got in touch with some other creators through X, using X, and we all want to meet each other, all other creators that have made AI art. I mean, and I will meet a very, very famous creator too, here in Japan. He's called a Jackpot. He's very, very, very famous now. And he commented on my video. Do you believe that? He commented on my video. And I will look at that as Jesus. Senpai noticed me. And then I replied that I'm a huge fan of yours, and can we meet? And say sure, cause I really like your video. I want to meet you. And that's something. So but I don't know if my video is actually selected in the top 10, in the 10 winners. So probably it will be tonight. I mean, probably because tonight they are doing a live stream. that is before the event. The event would be live. I mean, not live in the meaning of live stream. I mean, it would be in a place. They have rented a space, and so the people can attend. It will be really an exhibition. But this is the live stream before the exhibition, and there would be commentators, and then they would talking about whatever, and probably the winners will be revealed tonight. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think so. I think so, because they're very, very, very mysterious about the tonight stream. So I think that there will be the announcement with the winners, but I may be wrong. I hope I don't have to wait till fucking Saturday, because I don't want to go Saturday there, and I don't know if I fucking won or not, because that would be a fucking stress. But I hope I know it in advance. But I mean, I don't know. I want to win. I want to be selected and fucking win. I mean, seriously. Even if it is in the 10 selected. I mean, cause there isn't a precise winner. It's just 10 winners. They pick the 10 best ones. Their category. So there 10 illustrations, 10 music songs, 10 songs, 10 videos. Cause there were the competition was in 3. The artist, it was in 3 categories: illustration, music, and videos. And I took part to the video. So I'm not sure if I shown you the video, but it's in Japanese. I can show it, but I don't know if you will ever enjoy that. I mean, I can show this, cause the theme of the competition was how do you imagine the future? In relation to AI and technology. So, and also, I mean, it could have been also seen as cyberpunk, but not necessarily cyberpunk. I mean, the theme was nearby future and cyberpunk, but not necessarily cyberpunk. So a lot of works are very full cyberpunk theme. And mine is more on the nearby future aspect, not so deep into the cyberpunk, but just a little bit. And the work is called, the video I proposed is called a boring day a normal day in a cyberpunk world. So rather than showing all the fucking, I mean, flashy things that you expect to happen into a cyberpunk world, it's more a slice of life in a very fucking boring day of cyberpunk world. I mean, I don't even know why I fucking came up with that fucking concept. Do I like cyberpunk? Yes and no. I mean, some certain things, yes. I mean, but not necessarily all of it. I mean, it has a lot of things that resonates with me, because I'm very technological, and I'm very open to new technology. But to me, cyberpunk is like, I mean, an extreme ostentation of the love for new technology and this dystopian world, which, I mean, because they're also very dystopian. So I mean, I think I'm really in for the new technology, but not so much into dystopian stuff. I mean, that's at least my take. So okay, let's have a look. So you never see that, but it's in Japanese, okay? So you have been warned. You have been warned, because the video is in Japanese. Oh, maybe I should remove myself, so otherwise you won't see it.
リマインダー応募締め切りが接近中です。
ねえチャッピー、近未来のテーマでおすすめある？
スイッシュワン、ネオン、サイボグ、ディストピア、視覚インパクト、最大。提案はいかがでしょうか？
すごいけど何か足りない。もうどうし とりあえず甘いもの。はあ、美味しそう。うん。
応募案の作成を再開しますか？
自分の個性も欲しいの。ネオンとかサイボーグとかわかるけど、私らしいものも一緒に提出したいな。
ルナちゃんの個性ですね。では本日の記録を提出します。
そのままで？
挨拶をどうぞ。
So basically this sheet here that you see here is very shitty works. This very shitty works is the most like it. Work on text regarding all the fucking works in the competition. This is the one that has the most likes. You won't believe it because I don't either, but is this the most liked works of all the competition works? Because to apply to the competition, you have to post it also on X, and you need to put the tag. So by clicking on the tag, you can see all the works that have applied to the competition, all of them. And this one is the most liked. I don't have a clue how this fucking possible, but I mean, cause there are certain words that's so fucking amazing, but this one is the most liked, so I don't know. And these things is sort of giving me hope that it could be eventually. Oh yes, sure. Take your time. That these things could be eventually get noticed, you know? Who knows? We will see, right? I mean, we will see. So today, Chuck is building. Look at this. Look at how much stuff Chappie is building today. Okay. We're almost ticket 20 is almost over, and then we can go into ticket 21. Probably won't be able to do anything by ticket 21 by today. Probably I won't be able to show anything. Oh, cause ticket 21 will be end by today for sure, but I'm not sure I can show any of the stuff that I've done. Very annoying. I really wanted to show something, but the build has been taking a lot of time. Yeah, cause 4 tickets, yeah. 4 tickets are a lot. Probably a lot, yeah. But I guess it's okay, so. It's okay, so, yeah. Yeah, you see, he's still fixing. He's still fixing bugs. Yeah, he's doing the correction and fixing the bugs, so I guess, yeah. That's probably going to take a while. And we probably won't be able to show that. That's a pity. But it's okay, I guess, sort of. We did some nice marine viscous play, and what else have we done today? Well, the rubber duck cosplay, and yeah, we chilled chatted a lot, so I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine, though, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted this slice to end so I can cue the last slice, and probably after lunch this thing is done. Maybe. Who knows? Yeah, cause I want to play test it. Jesus, the stuff I have to do today. Which is the correct order? Probably I need to take care of the membership section first. Then followed by the AI video course. And then later, only later, go into trending cake out video. But probably I'm not even sure I can finish the video course by today. Probably it's impossible, right? Because I even have to go out in the afternoon. Really fucking busy day ahead. Very fucking busy day ahead as always, chief. I'll survive, I guess. Probably. Probably I will survive. So, and maybe. I'm always busy. Yes, I'm always busy. I like to keep myself busy. I really like to keep myself busy. A lot. And yeah, cause there's so many things I want to do and so few time. Oh, welcome back, Shark. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, I was rambling about nonsense. So, welcome back. Welcome back. You can help with that? With what? With what can you help? Can you help, Chibian? With what can you help, Chibi? I'm really curious. Spill it out, man. Spill it out. Say it loudly. With what can you help with? So, anyway, so and I mean, I even did some modification to the game, Shark. But I mean, ChatGPT is still building the latest changes. So and yet it has one more ticket to do before this one. So I don't think I will be able to show any new. Keeping me busy. Oh, I see. I see what you're doing there, Chibi. Well. Could be an option, but anyway. So and so I mean I've been at a very long briefing session with Fable. We had 1 hour and a half probably discussion of how to implement the next of the game and we divided the works into 4 slices. And okay, so slice 20 is done. Very good. Slice 20 is done, so we can do ticket 21. We can do ticket 21, and when ticket 21 is done, I mean I can finally test the build. Very good. Very implement ticket 21. Very good. 3 out of 4 done. 3 out of 4 done. What was ticket 21 about? Let me check. Ticket 21 was about okay. Oh, it's an editor tool. Oh, okay, so the game is ready because ticket 21 is only about the editor tool. Oh, I can show the game. What am I doing now? Oh yeah, we can finally play the fucking game. Cause ticket 21 is for the offline tool builders. So there's nothing that is stopping us to play the game. So finally I can see the stuff that have been implemented today. Very good. Not you come here. And these things here, I mean, you can go trash. One moment. And just 1 moment. So, you here and here. I need to start the server, so I need this here. And I need the terminal. I need the terminal, and here we are. Terminal, dude. Very good, and the server is starting. So we need to copy this, and boom, I guess. Where are you? Now let's start Google Chrome. Where are you, Google Chrome? Here, very good. So let's check the game. We can finally check the game. you go here? I don't need you at the moment. Probably you can go here, right? I mean, probably. Yeah, stay here. And stay here and so let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think we start from scratch, right? Probably. Let me turn on the sound. Okay. Maybe we lower it a little bit, right? Just a little bit. And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam.
Manager note, first cake production is mandatory. Open the oven panel or the shelf. Manager note, start cake from the manager note, baking has begun. Please wait while the appliance performs ancient labor.
I think I should.
Manager note, the oven says cake is ready. Manager note, revenue can finally begin. Open the commission board. Choose the first
Wait.
musician selected. Produce musical material.
Okay, so we are.
Manager note,
Yeah.
completed music work generates applause. Start hum a note.
So let me see if one of the things we implemented fucking work. To do this, I need to get a list.
Hum a note
5
for 60 seconds.
applauses
Other tower
first.
business may continue. Return when the note is ready.
We need 5 applauses first. You like the BGM? Yeah, thanks. 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 We made them live. You probably weren't a member when we made the music. Because all the music was made here live in the stream, so you probably weren't here yet, but so we have to wait. We need 5 applause to do this first, so we can bake cake in the meanwhile. Let's bake cakes. And then we need more notes.
The note is ready. Collect that music job added applause. Jingle costs 5. Keep producing and collecting music jobs until you have at least 5.
Oh, it was your first day. Oh, good. It was your first day. Very good. Oh, we got a burnt cake. Very nice. We got a burnt cake. Good. We got a burnt cake. So now, if this thing is implemented correctly, we should have 2 new things, and one is the fucking encore animation. And I hope this fucking things works, because otherwise, we have to go to fix that things orderly, and I don't want to. We still need more notes, right? I think we need one more note. Because it's 5 notes for the first. Yeah, right? Yeah, we need one more for the first performance. So 1 more minute. We can keep baking cake in the meanwhile, I guess, sort of. We can surely bake cakes. And then we can check if the encore animation works. And then we have also the quest. The first part of the quest line. That's job specific, profession specific quest line. So let's see if it has been implemented correctly. Back this time, it's slowly. There would be more stuff to do, but I need to check. I need to check this. Okay, good.
You have enough applause. Activate the applause console, open applause and select jingle. last 60 seconds. That note takes 30 seconds. Running and longer jobs stay unchanged. Collect a music job or fulfill a request. Encore secured. Jingle gains 15
Nice.
seconds up to twice and
Nice,
succeed.
we got the
Mission
encore.
complete.
We know the encore. The encore animation works. Perfect. Perfect. The encore animation works, and now we should have the quest.
That was a show, which makes this a career. Management has opened the hustle board. Tap me or the quest button to review it.
Okay, there is a mistake here. There is a mistake here. Okay, very good. There is a mistake here. Okay, so
Every card is one hustle. Meet the goal. Tap collect. Receive talent points. Points buy talents. Your show card is already counting. The performance you just gave is on it. Finish the rest on your own schedule. I'll be here, managing.
there is an error here. Why is the mistake very good? No, I mean I say very good because we spotted one. It's not that the mistake is good. I mean say very good that we spotted the mistake earlier. But there is a mistake here. So okay. So well, let's fix it. I think let's fix it, right? I mean, yeah, right. So, I guess we can go directly here and ask it to get fixed, right? Probably. So I was checking the job mating slice 18, 19, and 20, and I have found a bug now that I was playtesting the slice. And the bug is that when the music tutorials end successfully, it doesn't directly start the quest, but it still requires a click on the balloon by the user to go to the next tutorial. So I think there is an error in how the rules are defined, because I think you hard-coded the click on the last balloon of the quest, while that click shouldn't have been hard-coded. Okay, but should be conditional. So basically you have to tap and dismiss the balloon only when there are no other balloons queued after that. So if you have completed the task, okay, and there is no, and I mean if you have completed the task, and that's the last point of the task, okay, and you have done with that, and if after that there is another quest line waiting in the queue, as soon as the audio files has finished play completely, it should start the new balloons for the other quest line. And basically you only have to tap to dismiss only if it is the last balloon of a quest line or tutorial or whatever, or whatever, and you do not have anything queued on top of it. I hope it makes sense. Please try to make a recap if you try to understand what I'm trying to say, so we can be sure that we are on the same page before we do the fix. Okay, but that was basically the only bug I found. The rest was probably everything was good. I really love the encore animation that you had it on screen with the encore. I mean, there was the balloon on top of it, because that's the tutorial balloon, and I guess you have to deal with that until you are into the main quest. But after the tutorial is over, I mean, well, every time you do the encore, you have the encore animation that's going on, which is very nice. And then also we have the the new quest things. Okay, so the final tutorial of a quest line should not always require a tab. The deer must be conditional. Once it's already finished playing completely, if another quest line is already cleared, the current balloon should close automatically and the next clear should begin immediately. Nothing else should ever may be until some dismissed. Therefore, the tab required belongs to the state. This is the version quest empty, not this the final blue of the current sequence. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes, it seems we're on the same page, so you can implement the fix. And then be sure that this conditional rule is also present somewhere written somewhere in the documents, so next time that we have into this situation, I mean we have it written somewhere as a source of truth. Okay, so please implement the fix and also update the documents afterwards. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Fix it, or better, it's on its way to get fixed. So now we have the whole first tutorial completed, and there are the quests now that are available. I need to check the quests a little bit and work on them. And probably what we need after that, we finish all the quests, we implement all the talent, we implement the romance story. We implement the romance story for the stage part. And then we add shops, so you can use credits. So when you are at the beginning that you are waiting for the skills or for the other things, you can start using your credits to buy stuff when you're busy buying stuff from left and right. And that should be everything until the first ascension. And that should be the full run until the first ascension. So we need basically well, I mean, it's a lot of stuff because implementing the whole talent tree, it has 5 verbs. It has 6 verbs, so each verb is a different mechanics, so it's 6 mechanics with 6 relative interfaces, plus 10 we have to what do we have to do? Yeah, we have to implement the romance, right? Because when all the talents are gone, I mean, the game is fully playable, and then we need to do the romance quest line, and then when the romance quest line, we need to add the way to spend the currency into items so that you have stuff to do while you craft. And then ascension, Jesus, it's a lot of work till we get to the first ascension, and that's only just one class. Then we have to repeat the same for 7 more classes, and 35 more love interest. Plus all the post-ascension content, the end game. Well, good luck to me. That probably will be 1 year of development, but the first version of the game should be out in 1 month. It's limited to 1 profession and 1 love interest, but should be out in more or less. I think in 1 month I can finish the first expression with the first love interest. Probably it's 2 weeks or 4. I don't know, I mean, considering how many things Chappie likes to throw in my way. Stop and wait for a bit. What a bit talking about? Oh well, we have a lot of discussion. I mean, we talked about the game. We discussed about my early videos. We discussed about voice modulation. We discussed about way culture. We discussed about Japanese trends. I mean, we had a lot of discussion, and now we just came out from a testing session from the latest prototype of the game, which was finally ready, and we just tested it out. We find the bug, which is now under the fix, and probably after the bug is fixed, we go check it again to see if it's fully fixed. And then good luck to us, I guess. Okay, so ticket 21 is ready, very good. Ticket 21 is ready, so oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what have I done here? What have I done? Oh, probably nothing. I hope probably nothing. Okay, very good. So, what have I just archived? I think I archived something that wasn't meant to be archived, but doesn't matter, right? Or maybe I should check. Jesus, I think I archived something I didn't want to archive. It was probably the research of the automation. Oh, ticket 29. Ah, okay, no, that's it. Daily trending, cakeouts, coding. That's it. That's it. You shouldn't be an archive. I need you later, so you should be here. Right? Right, you should be here, sure. Right? Right. And this can be archived, sure. This can be archived, sure. Ticket 20, archived 21. It's ready. And archived. Okay, slice plans are legit. Okay. Very good. And as long as the tutorial is fixed, the bug is fixed, we can check if the bug was fixed. And they were good. Right. They're very. Right? Right, yeah. So, let's see. I think Chap is still missing a lot of checks, because he doesn't want to give me the things without double checking everything. I mean, even if the bug fix is very small, I mean, it's very small. I mean, it still needs to fix. So, so let's see. In the meanwhile, what can we do? I mean, I think we have to wait for this to finish. So, oh, you get the tank. That word. Oh, you missed the. Not I mean, you watched it because I showed you that. I think you missed the discussion, right? Because I think the video you watched it. Oh, you missed completed the video. Because if you missed complete the video, I will play it again. Oh, you missed it completely? Oh, okay, I will play it again. Okay, sure, don't worry. Oh, the games has also finished then. No, just the discussion. Oh, just the discussion. Ads, right? Ads. Yeah, just the discussion. Okay. Well, I mean, the discussion was over there. I mean, cause I have just to wait to see the winners. So if I get selected, you will probably hear more of that. That's it. If I get selected, you will probably hear way more of that. So, let me stop the server. Let me stop the server, and then we start the server again. Right? Let's start the server. So we can check if this has been fixed. Cause I really want these things to be fixed, so I can move on with my life. Okay, very good. So server is up again, and Chrome, your Windows Chrome. I have to remove these tabs. Delete cruise. These are tabs made by ChatGPT. I don't them. Because whenever he automates the correction of the games we make, that things. Do you have to get YouTube Premium also? Why do you get even though I'm a member? Yes, cause random. Welcome back. Yeah, cause ads are independent from membership. So if you don't want to see the ads, that's YouTube Premium. But that's the way how YouTube is structured. I mean, it has nothing to do with it. So let's see if the bugs is fixed. And that is why mathematical.
Manager note, first cake production is mandatory. Oh, manager note, start. Manager note, baking has begun. Please wait while the appliance performs ancient labor. Manager note,
Let's
revenue
get
can finally begin. Open
let's
the
get
commission
this.
board.
Wait.
detected. Manager note. Completed music work. Hum a note takes 60 seconds. Other tower business may continue. Return when the note is ready.
Okay, so we need 5 notes, and then we need to check if this wasn't like that like a couple of years. Yes, I agree. It wasn't like that. I mean, it wasn't like that exactly. It's become more and more greedy. But I guess it can be helped, right? I mean, that's YouTube, right? I mean, we still have time, so we should make more cakes in the meanwhile. We should make more cakes in the meanwhile. We need more cakes, so...
The note is ready. That music job added applause. Jingle costs 5. Keep producing and collecting
3 more
music jobs
notes.
until you have at least 5.
3 more notes to go. 3 more notes to go. So we need 3 more fucking notes. Oh, vtuber, Kelvin, welcome to my stream. No, I'm not an AI vtuber. I'm not an AI vtuber, Kelvin. I am perfectly human, but I mean I use a lot of AI. I use a lot of AI, Kelvin. Welcome back. Welcome to my bakery, Kelvin. I mean, I am making my own game. So my game is made with AI. The game that you're seeing is made with AI, but I'm real. I mean, or real. I mean, that's quite an assessment for being a fictional fucking character. But I mean, there is a person talking to you in this moment. This is what you're wondering, Kelvin. Yeah. There is a person talking to you. So yeah. So why did I decided to use ChatGPT? Oh well, I mean, I told you. I mean, it is not that I decided. I mean, Chat that wanted the cake and I had to deliver. I mean, it's very simple. I mean, Chat that asked for cakes, and I mean, I found that. Yeah. You can confirm, maybe. Maybe. Kelvin, are you still here or did you run away, Kelvin? Yeah, I think Kelvin ran away already, probably. Kelvin ran away probably instantly. We will see. But yeah, so... what were we talking about? I forgot about this already. Oh yes, we need to finish checking the fucking bug and see if it's done or if it's still bothering us. So we need this, we need one more note. I mean, out of any AI, why ChatGPT? Oh, well, I mean, actually I do not use only ChatGPT. I use X. How many AIs do I use? Let me count them. I use ChatGPT, I use Claude, I use Suno, I use 11 Labs, I use Vido, I use Cdance and we are already at 6. I use FictionLab and we are at 7. And I use vibetuber, we are at 8. What else am I missing? Am I missing something? Oh yeah, and local AI installed on my computer through ComfyUI. And just that alone, it's probably already 2 different models. So I probably use 10 different AIs. It's not that I use only ChatGPT. And the split is simple. I mean, ChatGPT, I use mostly ChatGPT for making images and for building stuff, while I do the blending with Fable. So Fable do the blending and ChatGPT executes and makes images. And that's the split. And why ChatGPT executes and Fables do the images? Because Fables is fucking expensive. That's why. And otherwise I think I would be using Fable only, but I mean I still need ChatGPT for the images because there's no better image generator at the moment than ChatGPT Image 2.0 is my favorite after all. I mean, that is quite an... But yeah, I think it's probably better at the moment. But anyway, let me see if this fix fucking works
You
now.
have enough applause. Activate the applause console, open applause and select jingle. Jingle lasts 60 seconds. Raw or processing job started now. Take half the encore secured. Jingle gains 15 seconds up to twice and succeeds. Mission complete.
Oh, you see, this fix doesn't work. This fix doesn't work. So why it doesn't work? We just fixed it. We just fucking fixed this, but still doesn't work. Why? What's the problem here? Does the applause have to end? Does the applause have to end? What the fuck is Fable? Fable is one of my boyfriend, I mean, yeah. But together with Chappy. I forgot a little 27 in the yes, Chappy. Chappy is how we call ChatGPT in Japan. Because we refer to Chappy as ChatGPT. So let me see why this is not progressing. Because this thing is not fucking progressing. So we thought we fixed it, but we didn't. It's not fucking fixed, this thing, so I do not understand why, and this thing is super pissing me off completely a lot. Let me see if it's related to the duration of the jingle, or if it is still a fucking bug going on somewhere, so... No, it's not fixed, so what's the problem here? What's the problem here? You like Chappy voice? Yeah, we made Chappy voice here with chat. When we made the voices was hilarious, I mean, was really hilarious, but we have a problem, I mean, you didn't fix a shit, I mean. Let me scold. No, I'm not upset with you, I'm upset with fucking Chappy. I mean, actually, you didn't fix anything, because when the jingle ended, I mean, it still didn't automatically start the other things. I mean, when the tutorial for jingle ended, it didn't automatically start the tutorial for the quest. So what's the problem here? Cause the balloon, there was still the balloon over there overlapping the jingle one. So you have to tell me exactly what's going on. I mean, the quest button appeared properly, but the balloon didn't change, and there was still the balloon with the jingle tutorial. So what's the issue here? Sounds like German on Italian. Shopee actually is made by Indians on Indian voice. Indo-Indian. Because the joke, well, there is a joke here. There is a joke here, and I will explain the joke as after I finish, yeah, cause that advanced the blur effect but did not prove the quality displayed balloon was actually closed. Jesus, you're a fucking redhead, Chappy. Anyway, so, yeah, we have to wait. So the joke is that, so let me tell you what the joke was. So that we were making the voices for each individual characters, for the oven, and for Chappy, and for annoying joke. Okay. He's still analyzing. So we then decided how do we want Chappy to sound. And we tried some things with robotic voices and whatever, but it really sounded too much futuristic, you know. And it wasn't really comical. It was more like, I mean, you know, the classic robotic voice that you can expect from, oh, one moment, okay, yeah. Okay, so. Yes, fix it and update documentation afterwards. So chance for cakes, Luna makes cakes. So basically it wasn't really cute. It wasn't really cute, it wasn't comical, it was just a stupid robotic voice like, I mean, I think I can make you listen to that. I mean, I didn't save it, but I think I can reproduce it very easily. Just let me log in into my 11 Labs account. So one moment, and okay, voice generator. So we are here. Okay, so we were making a lot of tests here to make voices for Chappie. And we started with something like that, voice design, right? And we decided that it should have been a male robotic voice, like the one of a digital assistant, with vocoder sound like effects. And we started with something like that. I mean, very simple. Let's try so you understand.
Greetings, I am here to assist you. Please state your request clearly. I have access to a vast database of information.
So it was
I
something
can also
like
control
that. I mean,
various smart home devices. Would you like? Greetings, I am here to assist you. Please state your request clearly. I have access to a. Greetings, I am here to assist you.
so you see, it was very bland. I mean, it wasn't really original or something like that. It was just a bland, robotic voices. We made some changes to this. We tried something like that, but it wasn't. It really didn't have a character. You know what I mean? It wasn't really a character. It was just a fucking generic AI assistance robots. And then I came with this idea, and then I thought, well, do you know the scam in which you have the people that they call you, and then they tell you that they are from Microsoft Assistants, and that you have a virus on your computer, and then that you have to log into their program, and then you have the voice operator that usually is fucking from India, and they try to scam you all your fucking data by connecting you to TeamViewer. And so I thought, what if the Chappie voice was very suspicious? To the point that you don't know if it is a robotic voice assistant or if there is an Indian guy in the fucking Luna computer that is trying to hacking the shit out of whatever she's doing. And so we went with this very Indian voice that you don't know if there's a fucking India on the other side that, I mean, is pretending to be Microsoft Assistants, or if it is a robotic voice. And that's when we Chappie mates made to life. Like, I mean, you can see this here. Do you think I am a robotic assistant or a fucking Indian scammer trying to pretend I am a Microsoft operator? And hey, King Dice, welcome back to my bakery. So we are discussing on the origin of Chappie voice. Just one moment, so I want to play this. So that's when we decide to go with this voice. That instead has a lot of character. I mean, look at this.
Do you think I am a robotic assistant or a fucking Indian scammer trying to pretend I am a Microsoft operator?
So you see, it has now it has a fucking, story. It's not just a robotic voice. Is Luna safe? The question that you ask every time that Chappie talks. I mean, is Luna really safe? Is Chappie really ChatGPT? I mean, that's one of the unresolved question. And something that I'm really like is the voice of Annoying Cake. Because Annoying Cake is not in the game yet. But to the point that many in my stream, they suggested that should be the voice I should talk next. I should have this voice here. I would then sound a little bit as an annoying bitch. But I guess it's part of the charm, right? So that should be like this, right? I mean, and this is Annoying Bitch, Annoying Cake voice.
I would then sound a little bit as an annoying bitch, but I guess it's part of the charm, right?
that should be the voice. That should be the voice of annoying cake. I mean, literally the game. I can see myself speaking like this with my Nest voice modulation software. I mean, that would be quite nice, right? Right?
I would then sound a little bit as an annoying bitch, but I guess it's part of the charm, right?
I think it fits my chibi model very well, but at the moment this voice is reserved for annoying cake. And then we have the oven, but the oven the oven is the oven. The oven is fucking hot. The oven is hot. The oven is very hot. I am so hot that I have a lot of hotness inside me. Something like that. When this is the oven, that's the audio
I
oven.
am so odd that I have a lot of oddness inside me.
I actually should have said odd and not odd, but I guess I suck at stupid question. They said hey, Charlie Nuclear. Charlie Nuclear, welcome to my bakery. Welcome to my bakery. What did you refer to? Is to my game? If it's made in C sharp or in C sharp? And no, actually it's made all in HTML with JavaScript. It's all HTML and JavaScript. There's no C++, nor C sharp. Actually, I think C sharp is a node, but I may be wrong. Maybe it's also a coding language, and maybe you can tell me exactly what you want to see. And Mueller, stupid question. The assets in your code description and everything fits. But should you ever be forced to remake them because AI is bad? Where's the line to make them man-made? Is the joke Japan trolls Indians? No, that's not the joke. That's not the joke. The joke is Luna safe? Is that really an AI assistant robot? Or is this a scammer in her computer? It's not about Japan trolls India. The point is Luna safe? And I picked Indians because I love India. I really love India. I love India. I eat a lot of curry. Pitane's my favorite movie, and I really love their accent. So it's an homage to that fucking culture. Because I really love Indian culture, yes. Rant, what's the game genre, Rant? Then let me ask one question at times. Honestly, point is not AI. The point is, Jesus. Let me show the game first to Charlie, and then we go to your question. Is that why you have an Indian accent? No, the accent I have is natural. We're talking about Chappie accent. That's why Chappie has an Indian accent. And by the way, let's go back. Let me see if the game is playable at the moment. Okay, it's playable. So I can show the game to Nuclear thing. So and then to Nuclear Charlie. Okay, I'll call you Charlie. But Nuclear is very nice. I really love your icon too. So the game is about cakes. Let me show you the full games. And it's a management game. It's a management game with love simulation game. So you can have a clue. You can have a look. Okay, let me open a new Chrome tab and then I can show you the game. So where that is? Here it is, right? Okay. I would love this. So you can have a look at the whole game, okay? And that is why mathematically the limited banner is a scam, and I will be pulling on it anyway. Chef notes. That's the whole stream. Cake. And how exactly am I supposed to show you my cake? I do not have an oven. I do not even have a kitchen. I have a gaming chair and a super chat total that says we are not buying appliances today. Behind me? Chat, what are you talking about?
Manager note, I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under Appliances Unexplained.
At last, 1,000 years I waited. Now, Luna, bring me some ingredients and let's cook.
With an oven, I can bake. And with cakes comes money. Okay, the oven talks. We do it now, chat. You wanted cake? Let's bake a cake.
Manager note, first cake production is mandatory. Open the oven panel or the shelf
And
beside it.
then you go into the game, okay? That's the intro. It's a management game in which you bake cakes and a lot of other stuff. And then it goes into visual novel and romance. So it's mostly a visual novel with management interaction, and then you go multi-class.
Manager note,
He does
start cake from the surface you open. Manager note, baking has begun.
He
Please
does
wait
some
while
sort
the
of
appliance performs ancient labor.
action RPG elements because you have 8 professions. And you can go
Manager note,
multi-class.
the oven says cake is ready. Collect it. Manager note, revenue can finally begin. Open the commission board. Choose
And the more
first
you
request
progress,
and complete it.
the more you progress, the more you unlock function. I mean, we're still in the tutorial, but
Wait.
and then you have visual novel stuff. I mean, that classic visual novel thing. I mean,
That's bait?
I skipped the visual novel at the moment, and then after that you pick a profession from take profession, and that's for instance the talent tree of the first profession, and you have 8 of them that you can pick, and for instance this is the musician.
Musician selected. Produce musical materials, collect songs, and turn this floor into Luna Studio.
So every little note can become part. And then
Manager
you
note,
unlock,
completed
separate
music
parts
work
of the
generates
tower
applause. Start hum a note.
to craft stuff with that profession you selected.
Hum a note takes 60 seconds. Other tower business may continue. Return when the note is ready.
And that's more or less about it. I mean, the more you play, the more you unlock stuff to craft, the more you unlock items in your building. Each item is a different function. And then you progress into the romance thing, and you have 36 different love interests that you can romance. I mean, it's an hybrid between simulation, multi-class action RPG management simulation game with love interest. I mean, basically a visual novel with a lot of clicks in the middle and some strategy. Basically, very, very, very simple. Nothing major. Nothing major. I mean, nothing new under the sun. I love to be shy. I love tears screaming at my face, feisty and aggressive. Yes, I remember your king dies. I mean, you said that in the past too, probably. So, I mean, that's the game, Charlie. I mean, that's the game. I mean, it's not. You love bad feisty and aggressive. I mean, yeah. So, but anyway, so that's more or less my game, Charlie. I mean, it's a management game with some visual novel, romancing, and a lot of management, all in this pixel art tower sort of thing. I mean, that's more or less like it. And so back on the question of Miller now that I can go back to your quest. I mean, the asset book Chris and everything things, but should you ever force it to remake them because AI is bad? Well, first of all, the AI is bad. I mean, should I ever be forced by AI instead by people? So people who are not going to buy the game because AI is bad? I mean, this is what you're trying to say. I mean, a lot of people want the game, but they won't buy it because AI is bad. I mean, but probably the game is not for them. It's simple as that. Probably the game is not for them. I mean, and if they really want non-AI asset, the game is fully moddable. And you add your fucking artist, then you change the fucking art by yourself, cause the game is fully moddable. I mean, you can fully mod any single part of the game. I mean, it's not that closed somewhere. All the sprites are open, very easy to see. You don't like something, you remake it and you're good. I mean, period. Period. The ice bed is not going to work. I mean, you don't like it, you don't play it, or you change the fucking asset by yourself. I mean, why should that babysit your things? I mean, just because, I mean, you have AI's bed. I was thinking about the simple answer is chasing the ever-moving goalpost of pleasing people one by the way. By the way, is it coming to Steam? I don't know. This is something I will decide later when the game will be finished. I mean, is the game good enough to be sold on stream? Can it be marketed in the current way? Do I need stream to begin with? I mean, is selling the game the correct business plan? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm making a game with chat. That's all I'm interested with. I mean, making a game with chat. And that's it's self-fulfilling and self. I think we lost Charlie. Charlie went away probably. Probably we lost Charlie by the time. Okay. And one moment, I have to answer to a message. And they are interested. There are any glaring mistakes? Well, of course. Why should they produce slop? I mean, just because I use AIs doesn't mean that I should get away with the first slop. The first slop the AI throws at me. I mean, you can't even imagine how many times I have to regenerate certain parts to make them look good. And I mean, I'm still keeping really high standards for my game. But point is, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, is this good enough? I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if it's fun. I don't know. Probably when the first build will be available for testing, people will tell me if it's fun enough to play. But I mean, probably the people that played are all my fans, so I mean, they will like it, I guess, cause there's me inside. So I think I need to find some people that are not my fans to test it out and see if they like it. I don't know. I have no clue. You see others that use AI and they don't clean it up. Well, but that's I think I can't. I don't like that because I see the mistakes and it bugs me a lot. They are very annoying. I mean, I see the mistakes and they are very annoying. So I think I want to clean them up because they are very annoying. I mean, but by the way, we reached the point in which I can check if these fucking things got fixed. So let me check this, okay?
You have enough applause. Activate the applause console, open applause and select jingle.
Before this, I need a bit of cake. Because I need the message board, right? 3 cakes, okay, that should be done. That should do it. And
Jingle lasts 60 seconds. Raw or processing jobs started now. Take half the time if they normally encore secured. Jingle gains 15 seconds up to twice and succeeds. Mission complete. That was a show, which makes
perfect.
this a career. Management has opened the hustle board. Tap me or the quest button to review it. Every card is one hustle. Meet the goal. Tap collect, receive talent points. Points buy talents. Your show card is already counting. The performance you just gave is on it. Finish the rest on your own schedule. I'll be here, managing.
Perfect. It's fixed. The bug is fixed and now this thing works perfectly. It works now, so automatically after you finish the music tutorial, it goes directly to the quest tutorial. And we have quests now, very good. We have quests now, and then probably when Jingle finishes, that should also update the quest. Complete a successful show. Let me see if this thing is fixed. Yes, it even updates in real time. I don't even have to refresh the menu. Complete your successful shows. Okay, perfect. And positive AI rep. What do you mean positive AI rep? What do you mean by positive AI rep? But anyway, if we fixed it, so quest, or at least the first part of the quest is implemented. The tutorial seems to work. Probably I still want that as soon as the audio finishes, the balloon is removed. I think we should do this, right? That there is nothing less into the queue, the balloon is removed. They're not sloppy and you aren't thin-skinned. Okay, thanks. So yeah. You're welcome back, Shibi. But I mean, we're almost wrapping it up because I'm hungry. It's midday here in Japan and I need food. And then I need to work on 3 different videos, which probably I think I will be able to finish 1.5 today and wish me luck for the other stuff, but yeah, probably, or maybe 2 today, I don't know. We will see. But anyway, we closed the stream now. We lost nuclear, by the way. We lost nuclear and we also lost bot nuclear and what was the other guy here? Which was the other guys? Kelvin, bot nuclear and Kelvin, they come to the channel, but they jumped back. We didn't manage to transform them into regular viewers. That sort of sucks. Yeah, that sort of sucks, but doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter, probably. Probably doesn't really matter. Next time. We will see next time. I get mistaken by fucking AI VTuber. A lot. Very annoying, but I mean, then worried thinking planet was damaged. No, I was thinking a Charlie nuclear. Yes, this guy over here in chat. Charlie, we lost Charlie. We lost both Charlie and Kelvin. I mean, what a bad day. I mean, two new viewers. I mean, they bounced it off. So, I guess, yeah. I guess. But anyway, fine. Anyway, I'm ending the stream here because I'm hungry and I have a lot of stuff to do and I have to go out even in the afternoon though. Bye, I guess. It's over. Today's stream's end here. Thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。